Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about hash value method or the similar method, that is value of hash, and today we will learn about index method of hash. When I want to search the key of particular value, in this case I am using this index method. This index method will take one argument, the value. This argument will be searched in my hash and it will return us the key of that value. And if the value is not found into our array, in that case it will return nil. Here in a screen I have created one hash, and in second line I am searching for one value, that is 2. So here it will return me and output, that is 2. Actually that is a key of my value 2 into my hash. Now we will see practical of index method. First of all, I am creating one hash, let's say my hash, and I am assigning two key value pair. Let's say my first key value pair is 1 and I am assigning a value 1, and I am creating my another key value pair, that is 2, and I am assigning a value 2. So our hash is ready. Now we will use index method on our hash. So my hash dot index. Now what this index method will do is it will take single parameter. That parameter is the value, and it will return the index of that value, that is the key. So here I want to search for a value 2. So I am passing an argument 2 and I am hitting enter. Here it is showing a warning message that index method is deprecated. So Ruby has provided another method to handle the same thing. But here it has written us the output, that is the 2. This 2 is actually the key of my pair. This is, I have passed as an argument 2. So here it will search for an value 2 and return its key, that is 2. So this is how we can work with index method of hashes. In next lecture we will learn about the size method of hash.